Hello to a new unboxing video. This is the 5th entry in the new Plaion picture series. As you can see, we're going to purple, and as you can also see, I don't have Cemetery Without Crosses yet, so you can donate to the SWDB so we can afford some of these more expensive editions for you to review. It comes once again with a booklet, 2 great texts from our friends on the director and the movie. It comes with the main artwork as a fold-out poster. This is the German poster motif, of course. It's not two-sided. And here, the DVD and Blu-ray disc versions. Now, it does have English audio. It does not have English subtitles. And as for the rest of the specs and details, do visit the SWDB, which has all details on all home video releases on all the spaghetti westerns on the movie pages. Thank you for watching.